现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hello everyone, it's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. My name is Joseph Lin, and this is the artist Misa, who comes from Miaoli. Now, this song is called Shuang Shuang, which literally means twin twin. It's actually a character that is from a Chinese classic book that's called Sanhai Jing. And Misa takes this mythical animal's name as the title of her song because she wants to describe how there are two sides to this world. Twin twin, right? There's black and white, there's light, there's darkness, taking and giving, and it's all about balance. So let's take a listen to this very inspirational song called Shuang Shuang, Song Song.
Song Song, Song Song, 双上一给调味，一片叶子上天，一片叶把落地，双双双双双上高给落给，一只高上呀，一只高大发，赶走的赶走的，一张书本，一张书拿走，一种黑，一种黑。一种最少，一种最高，用做的，用做的，一张木柱看头白，还有一张木柱看一黑，双双双双双上米给一张米白用钱。一张米和从前。
这首歌呢，客语叫做怂怂，也就是双双两面的意思，对不对？这是来自于米沙温一场的歌曲哦。温一场是苗栗三湾人，从小呢就跟着爸爸听老歌，而这首歌双双是引用《山海经》这本书里面的一个多体合一的奇兽双双，也就是说这个世界呢会有双面性，比如说有黑就会有白，有光就有暗。有给予呢，也就会有拿取。对他来讲，人生呢就是一种平衡，就像是有光的时候，一定也会有影子哦。是的，非常深奥的一首歌曲，也很好听。Wow, what a meaningful song and beautifully written as well. Again, it's called Shuang Shuang. And I guess that's all the time we have on today's Hakka song. I'm Joseph Lin. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.